Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and unboxing on this Jimmy Mattress vacuum cleaner. This is model number JV35. So when you unbox it, make sure you open up the other side. That's where the manual and the extra filter is. Now it does come with the cord you're going to plug in is 16 feet long. It's 2-prong. We've got a little tool that's going to help us out later. But the first thing you're going to notice is this is great for mattresses, but you could use this on couches and it might even fit some places in your car. So let's plug it in. It's super easy to operate. We've got 3 lights down here, and we've got 3 modes of operation. We've got a mode switch and a power switch, so you're going to turn it on. Now, when you first turn it on, all 3 lights are going to be on. We've got UV, tap is called the brush roller. It's going to be spinning, and vacuum. The vacuum light never goes off. You always have suction. You can turn the roller off and have UV only, or you can have the roller turning and no UV. Now, don't get excited if you turn this over and you turn it on and the UV light's not on. This light does not come on until these micro switches are depressed. So the first thing I did is I turned it over and I wanted to see that UV light. It doesn't allow you to do that because it'll only come on when these are depressed. Okay? Now, this is the container that's going to vacuum everything up. It's got a release button right here. So press the release button. You're going to take this to the trash can, and then you can empty everything out like this. Now you can clean this. This filter will need to be cleaned. You can wash it out, let it dry. You do have an extra one that you can put in while this one's drying. So again, just put this back, put it in here. This will only go one way. You got to kind of line these up because this is the opening and this opening. Then you're going to put it in and it snaps into place. So let's turn it on. It's a little loud. Turn it on. All 3 lights are on. Hit the mode button. Those 2, all 3. And again, I don't see that. Okay, I'm going to lift that up. See? Did you see the UV light shining down whenever I lifted those micro switches up? So it does have a UV light, it just has to have the micro switches depressed. Now I like that this rolls. It got some rollers built into it. That's really nice. I can take this brush roller apart. Now it is also putting heat out. It takes a little bit for the heater to heat up. The UV is just this wide, but the heater is that wide. Let's measure that. So the suction area is about 9 1/4, overall 11. The UV is 3.5, and the hot air about 8. Now this is 120 volts, 60 hertz only, 480 watts of power. Okay, after this, I'm going to take this roller and see what's behind here, but then we're going to go try it on my mattress. So there's the belt, so you can't really take this out, but at least I can. You might get some hair that you got to cut off. One is kind of like a rubber, and the other one's kind of like bristles. Okay, let's go try it out. Okay, so this mattress isn't very old. Let's turn it on. I got all 3 lights on. It rolls really easy. I can't believe. Yeah, it's definitely getting hot. I can feel the hot air. And again, I could turn that UV off. I could turn the roller off and just have suction, but I find all 3 work the best, looks like. Now, it doesn't work the best on a mattress cover. Yeah, if the roller kind of bogs down and stops, it turns it off and you got to reset it. You got to turn the power back on and off. So let's see. You know, it did get it's the small stuff it's getting. Nothing too big. But a lot of small stuff. Okay, here I've got my dog's bed. Wow. Now here it's getting up a bunch of stuff. This is probably the cleanest this has ever been. Wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Quite a bit. How'd the brush roller do? Yeah, I can definitely feel the hot air. I did have the UV light on, so this thing's working really good. It just rolls really easy. It's well designed, well balanced. It doesn't seem super heavy. Yeah. This is like an intake. Most of the air is going down into the bed. And again, I could just do UV and a little hard to see. So I'm very happy with this. I think it does a great job. Thanks everybody for watching.